We guide you through how to delete typing history on Android Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. First, open Google Chrome on your Android phone, then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security, tap Clear Browsing Data, and make sure browsing history is checked. Then, choose a time range like all time and tap Clear Data. If you want to remove saved typing or search suggestions, go back to Settings, tap Google His Service, select Autofill, then Autofill with Google, and clear saved text or disable personalized suggestions. You can also manage this by opening your Google account, going to Data and Privacy, tapping Web and App Activity, and deleting store activity related to Chrome and typing history. Once done, restart Chrome to apply the changes.